Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Fitri will be representing our group Mahsuri Corp to present our proposed master plan alongside with Mior Faiz. Our group master plan is located in Zone 2 Cyberjaya Selangor, where our aim is to propose an aging-friendly development area through sustainable and smart approaches, comprehend all the related aspects. There are four main objectives of our proposed master plan. The first one is to provide an age-friendly city that integrates universal design concept. Next is to propose a variation of activities for the users to engage more with the environment, which then can improve social interaction and indirectly improve the income generation. Also, to promote smart mobility, which includes low carbon design strategies, and finally, to promote safety and security by applying CPTED. The major findings that we would like to note from our inventory and analysis is that the city has aging population, means that we have to cater the issue of aging citizens and make them a part of the city development, not kicking them out by proposing a retiree community village. Second one is this zone is mostly consists of large and tall industrial buildings. To assist in the issue of urban heat island, the existing undeveloped areas are being taken advantage of, where we propose to do enhancement of green spaces. So more green spaces area are available not only to help in terms of low carbon city and balancing the nature and building development, but also to provide recreational spaces for the surroundings users, as this site has interesting landform and previously was lacking of recreational spaces, compromising the aspects of constructing smart city approaches as well. Further details will be explained by another representative. Now I'll pass the floor to Mior.
Thank you to Fitri Mahsuri. So our design concept is called senescent. Senescent represents the aging nation of the city where the aging population is expected to increase in Cyberjaya in the future. So our group wants to create a livable urban development while blending it with the smart approaches to promote an intelligent aging city. So as Fitri mentioned before, our spaces lack of recreational space and lack of places for elderly to go. So that's why our group proposed forest park and retiree community village, and this is the design programming and the space programming for the both spaces. And we have three functional diagrams. First is the solution, where we propose 6 solutions as stated in the legend, and we have edges, nodes, landmark as the urban landscape design, and we also propose 6 smart city approaches. And this is our conceptual diagram, schematic diagram, and our preliminary master plan. And we move on to our master plan. So in this master plan, we have divided into 3 main spaces, which are the forest park, the retiree community village, and the pocket park. First, we go to the forest park. The forest park, we have 2 main entrances, where the first is for the vehicle, second one is for the pedestrian. And in the forest park itself, we have 4 main spaces, which are the treetop walkways, hiking trail, the outdoor gym, and the water playground for the children. And in terms of the smart city approach, we use an inclined lift for the smart city because actually the forest park is located at the highest topography of the spaces. So that's why we propose an inclined lift to ease the movement of the pedestrian to go to the top. And from the perspective, you can see how we want to propose the treetop walkways and how we balance the development and the nature. Next is the retiree community village, or RCV. So RCV, we have only 1 main entrance, which is focusing on the vehicle, and inside the RCV we also have 4 main spaces. First is the medical center, second is the indoor and outdoor spaces, and we have urban farming, and we have retiree community housing. And actually beside our RCV we have grocery store and the daycare, where the grocery store is to ease the elderly to buy their daily needs, and the daycare is to lighten up the surrounding or the environment of the RCV. And from this perspective, you can see that how we propose the urban farming and how is the medical center is located as the landmark of the RCV. And lastly is the pocket park. Actually, the pocket park is focusing on the office worker because the pocket park is located between three office or government building, which is the Soho building, the Mic building, and the Cyber Aziz Tower building. And inside Pocket Park, we have smart motion lighting as the smart city. And actually, the incline lift, we also have incline lift in the RCV, where it is connected to the incline lift of the Forest Park. And I think I will pass it back to the Fitri. Thank you.
For detailed development plan, the master plan are divided into 6 main developed spaces. 4 over it are recreational spaces, which are the Pocket Park, Garden Villa, South Forest Park, and North Forest Park. Another 2 is urban commercial area, which are a mixture of tram station, grocery store, and daycare. The last one is retiree community village. Looking at it as a whole, clearly the strength of our site is we balance the green spaces and industrial development in the zone, applying all the smart city approaches as mentioned by Mior a while ago. One of the remarkable approach is we applied smart mobility, which are the tram and incline lift, promoting smart walkability features, which also incorporates the solution of aging city, where we feed the elderly in the community with the assistance of retiree community village. And in sum, the equity of spaces where it caters low carbon city, in which it helps to reduce the urban heat island that is happening in the zone as well. That is all from our group. Thank you.